Another scenario is ground mounted systems, where the panels are installed on a structure in your garden or on a bit of land rather than the roof. And in this situation, bifaciality becomes quite important. Ground mounted systems are similar to flat roofs in that they usually have a lot more space around and underneath the panels. Light can bounce off the ground or even the front of the panel behind it back onto the rear side of the bifacial. So again, bifacial panels can generate a meaningful amount of additional electricity on both sides. Depending on the surface below the panels and the design of the mount, you can see a decent uplift in total generation. The other nice thing about ground mounts is that you're not constrained by roof size. So if you want to maximize generation, you can really take advantage of jumbo panels like the ICO Stellar. You end up installing fewer panels, but each one produces more electricity, which can reduce the overall cost. So if you've got the space for a ground mount, a bifacial jumbo panel is a really powerful combination.